Hi guys, I am Shahzad from Checksy.com and welcome in cryptocurrencies. Today I'm gonna show you how can you buy your cryptocurrency from your debit and credit card using Binance website. So guys, if you have a debit card and credit card, how can you do that first of all? And we are going to also show you how can you convert your amount from one cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency. Let's suppose you have a Tether or USDT. Those are the same things. Let's suppose if you have a Tether and you want to convert your Tether to Dogecoin. So how can you do that? You have many options to convert your one cryptocurrency to another. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to share my desktop so you guys can easily understand. So before doing this, you have to create your Binance account and you have to verify that particular account. Okay, so now first of all, how can you buy the Dogecoin or any cryptocurrency from your debit and credit card? Just click on the credit/debit card link. Make sure I have already logged in with my account. So now as you can see, log in and it's verified. So go to the buy crypto, click on the credit or debit card. So here as you can see, you have to select your currency. So let's suppose I have my local currency, which is the PKR, or for suppose I have the USD. Now I'm going to buy the Dogecoin. Just click on the link and select your coin from here. Fine. You can also select any coin. Let's suppose BUSD and BTT, BTC. So this is a Bitcoin, and also you can buy any coin. I'm going to buy the Dogecoin. Just now, let's suppose I'm going to buy 300 Dogecoin, or you have to add, let's suppose I'm going to buy $100. Fine, I'm spending $100 and buying 376 point some Dogecoins. Okay, just click on the continue button. So now as you can see, it's saying Visa or MasterCard. So if you have a Visa card or MasterCard, it's up to you. Just click on the add new card. So you have to use the credit card number XYZ, let's suppose, and you have to use the expiry date and also the CVV, and click on the next button, and then you can submit your order. It's very simple, straightforward. So this is the first way to buy the cryptocurrency, by using the credit card and also the debit card. Okay, you also have some options to convert your cryptocurrency. Let's suppose if you have USDT, which is a Tether, and you are going to convert your USDT into Dogecoin. So how can you do that? Just go to the trade, and here as you can see, this is the convert options. So you have a convert options, you have a classic options, you have an advanced option. We are not going to discuss about the margin, P2P, and also the fan token. Just click on the convert account. So here as you can see, you have your USDT. So let's suppose you have your USDT. So you have to select the currency which you are going to convert. I have 256 USDT in my account. Fine. Now I'm going to convert my USDT into Dogecoin. So fine. I'm just saying that I'm going to buy the Dogecoin $100. Fine. So I have 256. Preview conversion. So now as you can see, this is the conversion rate. Click on the convert button. So it's in progress. So I have successfully converted the USDT into Dogecoin. Okay, if you click on the view stats, so it will show your order. So this is the first way to convert your cryptocurrency, first of all. So go to the wallet, fiat and spot. Wait for a few seconds. It's now opening. So here as you can see, we have just converted our USDT into Dogecoin. Here as you can see, this is the Dogecoin amount. Fine. So the second way, go to the classic options, click on the classic options if you want to convert any cryptocurrency. Fine. So here, as you can see, the by default is BTC to USDT. Now I have the cryptocurrency, which is the USDT, known as Tether. I'm going to convert USDT to Dogecoin. Go to the search options here. Sorry. So once again, go to the trade, click on the classic. This is the by default option. Just go to the search the Dogecoin. So here, as you can see, Dogecoin to USDT. Fine. So we are going to convert. You can also convert Dogecoin to USDT. It's up to you. Fine. Okay. Now go to the spot. So this is the limit. Just click on the market price and just select the Dogecoin, how many Dogecoins you need. Make sure you have the USDT. Let's suppose I have 200 Dogecoins. Fine. So 200 Dogecoin. Just click on the buy button. That's it. Now go to the wallet, go to the fiat and spot. Wait for a few seconds. Your Dogecoin 577. Okay, you have the third options. Just click on the trade, click on the advanced. So you have some advanced tools for the trading. We are not going to teach you here the trading. So here, as you can see, it's a BTC, which is the Bitcoin to USDT. So you have to select from here. We are working on Dogecoin. Just click on the Dogecoin to USDT. Make sure. So wait for a few seconds. So this is the current rate of the Dogecoin. 0.2633 is the current rate. Okay. So now, as you can see, this is the limit and market. You have to click on the market price and then select how many Dogecoin you need. Let's suppose 600. Just click on the buy Dogecoin. That's it. It's up to you how you are doing. You can also select the 25%, 50%, 19% or 100%. Why 100%? Because you have some amount which is in the form of Tether. So that's why, let's suppose you have 300 Tether. So you are saying that buy the Dogecoin 100%. That means you are spending the 300 USDT to buy the Dogecoin. Okay guys, so in this way you can purchase or you can convert any cryptocurrency. So I hope you are enjoying our series or videos. If you think we are doing good, thumbs up. Share our content and courses on social networks with your friend. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. So thank you for watching.